Oh my god,
What the crap?
I don't know.
What
Shouldn't a jar of this?
Is this a different one?
No. Yeah.
What is he doing? Why is he sticking something? Ew.
That's a screwdriver.
Ew. Is he pulling that out?
Is that recording? Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. He's peeing blood.
Ew. Oh. Is this the same dude? It looks like it is. Who does? Does he enjoy seeing his own blood?
Does he enjoy pain? What guy in their right mind would shove a
Oh my
screwdriver
god.
in their dick? Holy fuck.
Oh. Oh my god.
That's nasty.
I'm
I'm a little grossed out. That is nasty.
But
That is a lot worse than one man, one jar.
Who puts a screwdriver there?
I don't know, but he succeeded with the jar.